this question, what you can see here, this question, what you can see over here, x plus y is equal, you can see, right?
Yes, sir. We can see the question.
See, this is the question. You can do by two methods right now. Right now you have learned two methods. First method you have learned is graphical method. Okay, graphical. And second one you have read substitution method, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I'll give one question. You do by both graphical as well as elimination method. Okay. Only one question I'll give it to everyone.
Okay, sir.
Only one question I'll give it to you. 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Then I'm telling you 5x minus 5x plus 3y is equals to minus 14. This is the question, children. Okay. You have to solve this question by solve the pair of linear equations, pair of linear equations by graphical and substitution method. Substitution.
Sir, these are two questions or one question?
Only one question, because this here what you will find? You can draw only graph now. Here you have to find a solution. Solve the pair of linear equations, you should find the solution of x and y. Okay. If I tell only this much, no, you will draw only line, right? You can't find the number of solutions. That is infinite number of solutions. But if you are solving these both equations, then you will get only one solution, or infinitely solution also may make it, and you may get no solution also. That case I'll tell you. You have to read in class 10th actually, but I'll tell you here only, no problem. That is not a big thing. That is only 5-minute class. Okay. So all of you find you can do it or not. Those who cannot do, just tell me right now. So without wasting time, I just tell you the direct thing. Those who are having doubt in doing these questions by graphical as well as substitution method, you just tell me right away so that I can.
Will you give us some time?
Yeah, I'll give some time. I'll give you around 3 to 4 minutes. Around 5 minutes it take.
Sir, I can do substitution method, but graphical I'm having a little bit of doubt.
Yes, sir. Same, sir. I got substitution method. I'm not getting the graphical method.
Okay, what I do know. Once I.
Yes, sir. Same thing.
Yeah, I'll show you
Sir,
the
we need
graphical.
to take the value where we will get x and means we need to substitute one value for x, sir. Then we need to find y, then represent in graph.
Yeah. See what I'll just tell you that the graphical method I'll just show here, and substitution method you do by yourself. Okay. Is it clear, children? Graphical method I'll teach here. First you find substitution method. For which method you know that you do first. All of you, both. All of you know you can do substitution method, right? Tell me,
Yes,
children.
sir.
Sir,
Okay,
can you
fine.
please explain that as well, because I was absent for the last class.
So you are absent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So children who can do, they can do by themselves, and who are having doubt, yeah, you can do or you cannot do like that, you can just check over here. Okay. I'm solving.
Sir, if we're getting 5 equals to 5, is it we're supposed to get x equals to something, right, sir?
Yeah, see, for graphical method, what we have to do is, see, for graphical method, we have to find this equation first. What you should write here, x and y, right? Here you will write x, here y. So if x is equals to 0, if you put x is equals to 0, what you get the value of y? 2.5, right, children?
Yes, sir.
And if you put y is equals to 0, then you will get x is equal to 5 by 3.
Sir,
That is
1.6. 1.
1.6 you will get.
Yes, sir. Sir, 6 is on bar, so I just took it at 1.6.
Then you take some other value then, because this is not like that. You should take
Sir,
such
it's
a
minus 2.5, I think. Sir.
minus 2.5.
Yes, sir. Means
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
minus
exactly.
2 by then.
Yes, this is minus 2.5. All right. And here
Sir,
if
I
you
didn't understand how we got 2.5.
minus 2.5, not 2.5, we're getting minus 2.5. See, I'm just putting here 0. If I put here x is equals to 0, then 3 into 0 minus 2y is equals to 5. So minus 2y is equals to what? 5. So y is equal to what you get? Minus 2.5 you get or not? Understood now?
Yes, sir.
If y is equals to 0, then what you get? You are getting something bar part. Don't take this y is equal to 0. Take something y is equals to something like y
Sir,
is equals
second
to
one, it's a 5 by 3.
what second one is?
Means if we take y as 0, sir, the x is coming 5 by 3, sir.
Yeah, that you can draw on the graph. Very difficult to draw, right?
No, sir, that's
Yeah, it's coming bar, right? Don't
Yes.
don't don't take y is equal to 0 in this case. If you take if this way y will go that side, so this become 5. 5 minus 2. 1 minute. 5 minus 2 if we draw here, 5 minus 2, or y is equal to 0 if you make. Y is equal to 1 if you write, you 7 by 3, you get y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 you put, that is better option. If you put
Okay.
y is equals to 2, then what you get?
So then we need to keep in x also 2, sir.
Not required like that. From here you got one coordinate, no? From here you can get what coordinate?
No, sir, means if we give x as 2, then y will get one answer. Then in the y plus we'll give 2, then we'll get one.
Wait, let me finish, then you just ask question. You are confusing so much. See, this is one coordinate, 0, comma, minus 2.5. Okay, Saicharan, this one coordinate we got, 1 point. Okay. So you can take any point on y, not a problem. You should take 0 only. So second coordinate, we want to find second point of from here. So 3x minus 4 is equals to 5, right? So 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. Is it clear, children? So if you put x is equal to, means y is equal to 2, we are getting x is equal to what? 3. This is clear or not? This coordinate is clear, this two coordinate, how I find?
Yes, sir.
Sai Charan, this is clear or not? Tell me now. Sai Charan, now you
Yes,
are
Yes,
sir.
telling.
sir,
It's clear.
clear, sir.
Sai Charan, tell your doubt now. What you are saying?
No, sir, this was the doubt. Means we need to keep for both
No, no,
one
no, no.
number and
Not like that, not like that. Here you should put x equal to anything, you should get one coordinate, you'll get y value, and should come proper so that you can plot the graph exactly. That's
sir,
why
and for the substitution, sir, when
again
we
you
do
again you came to substitution. Once we are doing, you are again confusing here. First you clear your
no, sir,
graphical parts, Sai Charan,
graphical is done, sir.
then we move to substitution. Why you are confusing both? We are right now we are doing graphical, and you just reach to substitution method. You only get confused yourself, Sai Charan, if you do like this. Let us finish this graphical method once, then we just move to substitution, no problem. If you reach right now, if you jump to substitution, you have confusion in graphical as well as substitution both. Today we are doing the second time. Just try to consider it completely. If you are having doubt, clear it off and move. Okay, like that we can do. So see, first coordinate we are getting as 0, comma, minus 2.5. So 0 is here and minus 2.5, where is on y-axis? This is y-axis. So minus 2.5 you get somewhere 1, 2, and this is 3. So you will get somewhere here 2.5. So this is 0, comma, minus 2.5. And next is if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. X is equals to 3 means 1, 2, 3. X is equal to 3, y is equals to 2, 1, 2. We just put here point. Right, Charan, you understood? We are getting 2 points over here and we have to match
Yes, sir, I
this.
know this, sir.
Yeah. So here you have to match like this. So this is the line for what? This is the line for 3x minus 2y is equals to what? 5. So till here, anyone having doubt, you just let me know, children. Till here, if you're having doubt, you just let me know. Anyone
No,
not
sir.
quite-
No, sir.
No, sir.
And today I'm
Again-
not seeing any videos here. Why you're not seeing this WhatsApp groups and all this? You're not seeing, children. Please follow it carefully.
Sir, what, sir?
And sir has messaged, no, you have to on your camera and so many guidelines is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So follow that now. Now second part is, first line is clear. Now we are not going to do with any first line. First line is clear to everyone? Satvik?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay. Now second point, second is very, very easy. What to do? Same way you can do. For the second one, what we can take here, children? If x is equals to 0, you'll get 14 by 3. This is also something awkward answer you're getting, right? So what you should put? Nihar, tell me. X, what you should put for x so that you'll get proper y.
So could you repeat?
I'm saying that what you are going to put the value of x in second equation so that you will get the y value proper.
Okay, sir. Wait a minute. One minute, sir.
I have given bit complicated question, not directly. Means you can think over it. How? Because see here we have taken 2, so we got aram say x is equal to 3 in the same way.
Sir, minus 2.
Minus 2 if you take, this become 10, right? Yeah, very good. So if you take x is equal to minus 2, children, so what you get here, minus a5 into minus 2 plus 3y is equals to minus 14, right? So here you are getting 10. 10 plus 3y is equals to minus 14. So 3y is equals to minus 24. So y is equals to minus 8. Understood, children? Y is equals to minus 8. Is it clear to everyone? And better you take 1 only now. 1 is better, I think. If you take minus 1, that is much easier. If you take
Can we?
minus, what?
Nothing, sir.
Tell.
Sir, if you take -1, it will become minus 19.
19. No, here is 5, no. Acha, minus 19 is becoming, right? Then 2 is only better. 10, but minus 24, the y is equal to minus 8. So this is the first coordinate. Okay, now second one, what you should put the value of y so that you will get proper y x here. Y is equal to what you should put. If y is equal to 0, you're getting 14 by 5. 14 by 5 also no problem at all. Y is equal to 0, you can put, no problem. So we'll get minus 5x is equal to minus 14, right? So x is equals to 14 by 5. So we'll get that 5 2s are 10, 10 2.8, correct? The 2.8 you can mark because there are 8 this one of partitions, right? The 2.8 is proper only. You should not
Sir,
get 2.
keep two also, sir, and x.
Sorry,
2, sir, and x.
you are saying this part or this part? Which one?
X, sir, x value.
X is equal to 14 by 5 now is coming, 14 by 5. So we're getting 2.8.
So small doubt is below the y equals to 0, is that a plus symbol or a minus symbol, sir?
Anything, y is equal to 0 is if you take plus symbol.
No, sir, below that you wrote 5x equals to 14, so is the symbol I didn't understand, sir.
I remove both side minus is there. No, I remove like this.
Sir, sir means here, sir, we have
Okay,
if we
okay,
keep
okay.
What
X
side?
sir, here, sir, we have kept that x is equal to -2, sir. Then we got y as 8, sir.
Y is
So
minus 8.
then, yes, sir, -8. So then we can keep the next equation as y is equals to -8. Then we will get x as -2. It is better, I think, sir.
See, the same point you get. No, actually to draw a line, we need to get 2 points, right? Understood,
Yes.
Sai Charan?
Two
2 points.
different.
Yeah, 2 points, different points you get, no? To draw any line, how many points you require?
Oh,
Sai
yes,
Charan?
sir.
Yeah,
Two
so
different.
yeah, for this from here you are getting -2 comma -8, and from here what you can get 2 comma 8, 2.8 comma 0, right? Again you can draw,
Yes, sir.
again you can draw this one on the number line. Okay, children. So this if you do in the graph paper, then only children will this will come correctly. Okay, here you cannot show right now. You should do on the graph paper exactly. Then where it is matching, no, that is only answer. Okay. So anyway, I'm doing approximately over here. So here x is equals to -2. So -2 will be here somewhere. So -2 comma -8. So this will come full down, children. This one will come full down. Somewhere here it will come. See, this point will come somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here it will come -2 comma -8. Understood? And second point is 0 comma 2.8 comma 0. 2.8 is somewhere here. So point will come here. So you should match this point and this point where it is matching, that should check. Okay, children. So if you check like this,
Sir, we have to take 2.8 and 8.
yeah, 2.8 and 8 I've taken now. 2.8 and 0 now. 2.8 and 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So 2.8 and 0 is here. See, this is 2.8 comma 0. So if you match this point and this point, you should
So we
match.
don't have to actually keep the ticks for the 2.8, right? It's a estimation.
Yeah, see how the line will come, I'm telling you.
Okay.
Sir, one question.
Yeah, 1 minute, sign one.
Yeah.
Let me draw this line, then I'll tell you the question. So this point should come. This point should match. So this point is roughly I drawn. This point will match at 3 comma 2. Okay. So your value of your answer is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to what? 2. Understood, children? So this is matching at 3 comma 2.
So if they give these types of questions where they give two equations, we have to draw only one graph for the both, or should we do separate?
No, on a single graphic, means if they ask to find the answer, then where this both line meets, that is the answer.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
This line meets means this is 3, x is
Okay.
3, and y is what? 2.
Okay, so we shouldn't draw separate drafts for each question.
No. Then you can't.
Okay.
Yeah, tell Sahil, what is your what was your question?
Sir, in the question which we have taken y is equal to 0, how we are getting plus 14?
The 14, how we are getting, you are saying?
No, plus 14. Like in the question it is minus.
Okay, 1 minute, I'll tell you. See how we are getting plus 14. See here, we put y is equals to 0, right? This one 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So minus 5x is there in the question, no? So minus 5x is equal to minus 14, right?
Yes, sir.
So both side minus I've cancelled here. Minus 5x and plus this one minus, both side cancelled. Or you can do like this. Minus 5x is equal to minus 14. So x is equal to minus 14 by minus 5, correct?
But sir, if we are taking minus 5 to the other side, it will become like plus, right?
No. So this is multiplication, no?
Yeah, okay.
But multiplication will come in division, not the sign will not get changed.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Here children will be small confusion will be there, but okay, no problem. You can ask the questions. Anybody else who is having doubt? So
No, sir.
understood the basic concept how to get the graph answer, children?
Yes, sir.
Sai Ritvik, you got any doubt?
Yes, sir, I got everything. I don't have any doubts.
Sai Charan, you tell me now, graphical part, you are not having any doubt? Sai Charan?
No, sir.
All right, fine. So now you try to do by substitution method, children. Now you try to do by substitution method. Same question. Same
Sir,
question.
if we do, sir, if we get the value as 5 is equals to 5, sir, then what?
Where 5 is equal to 5? In the substitution method,
Yes, sir. 3x minus 2.
how you get 5 is equal to 5? What you are putting? What you are doing?
3x
This one?
minus 2y is equals to 5, sir. So I
Wait,
kept
wait,
3x.
Same question. Let me write here. Then you tell me what is your doubt and all.
Okay.
Okay. Read the question. I'll just do it here.
3x minus 2y is equals to 5.
3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Then next question.
Yes, sir.
Next one
Then
is
I did
no.
next
Tell
one
me.
minus
Next
5x plus 3y is equals to minus 14.
minus 14, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. Tell me. You just tell me what you have taken here.
Sir, then what I did is 3x is equals to 5 plus 2y I did, sir.
Very good. After this,
Then I kept this term in the first one, sir.
this is the first equation. This is the second equation.
Yes, sir.
Right.
3x.
So
No,
where
sir. Yes, sir. In the first equation I have kept, sir.
this you are putting in equation 1 only.
Yes, sir.
So last time what I taught you not listen properly. I told you very first line only. What you are considering over here, that you should put in equation second. And second thing is, here you have
Yes.
not take. Yeah.
Means at first time you have kept it in the first equation.
If you are finding the value of x from first equation, then you have to put this value of x in equation second. I told you very first, right, Nihar? So see what we are doing. See what we are doing, Sai Charan. Here, don't write 3x over here. You should find the value of x, complete properly x.
Yeah, sir, even I did that same mistake the first time. It should be 3 into 5 plus 2y, right, sir?
X is equals to 5 plus 2y.
Why
By
Scientific, what you are saying?
No, sir, it should. Oh, sorry, sir, I made a mistake.
So x value we are finding from first. This is very important, children. Don't put this value in equation first. If you are finding from first, put in equation second. Understood? This is very important step. If you are finding the value of x from equation first, we have to put in second equation. Okay. So what do you get? Minus 5 into 5 plus 2y divided by 3 plus 3y.
sir, anytime we need to keep in second equation, sir.
If you're finding the value of x from first, then you should put in second. If you are finding the value of x from second, then you have to put in equation first. That is the only difference.
Yes, sir. No.
So these things will help you till 10th. You are not having doubt. Till 10th class, same questions are available in class 10th also. You people are not having this type hard questions right now, but you should know this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because 9th, nothing is there in this chapter. What I should teach? Only 1 hour, 2 hours if you teach, everything is over. So try to go some deep. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fine. So till 10th class, you will not have any doubt if you are doing this one. This type of question you know means till 10th class you are not having any doubts. You will not have doubt in linear pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So this line is clear to everyone, or you are having doubt? This line, tell me, children.
No doubt, sir. Clear.
No doubt, sir.
So
Sir, is it? I thought it was like this. Both the equations are separate. We have to find x and y and plot them on the graph. Is it not like that, sir?
this is not the graphical method. No, this one we are doing by substitution method now.
Oh, okay. I thought what I did was, sir, I did both of them separately. I did, means like I did the question 2 also by the same method that you said, sir, x equals to minus 2. I didn't do the x equals to 5 plus 2.
You are putting the values now, x is equal to something like that.
Yeah, sir, I did them separately. I didn't
No, no, no,
substitute
no,
the
no, no.
first one from into the
That is
second.
that is only for x is equal to minus 2. You are putting something and all that is only for graphical method. No.
Okay.
So here
It's only
see,
for graphical method, sir.
yeah, see this one method you are saying,
Yes, sir.
right? This one you are making x and y, like this one you are saying, right?
Yes, sir.
So this we are using only for graphical method.
Okay, sir.
Don't use in substitution and all.
Okay, sir. So now for the first one, this x we have to substitute into this.
Yeah. If
Okay, sir.
we have find equation from first and putting in equation second. Okay.
Sir, so all the y should be at once and all the x should be at once, right?
all the y should be on one side. Where is all y should be one side? Where x should be one side?
So like 2y you took and 3y both are in the same equation like that I'm saying.
No, I have taken this equation is there. No, x, if you see this equation, x equation we got from here. No, this value
Yes,
we are putting in this x value we are putting here. So we got this much. Here we are putting.
okay sir.
Instead of x, we are keeping this value here. Understood? And now we have to solve. Okay. So how to solve this? So first you multiply this 5 inside. What you get? 5 5s are 25. Minus 25 minus 10y divided by 3 plus 3y is equals to minus 14. Till here it's clear. Children, don't solve. You pakka you do mistake.
Yes, sir.
All of you see on that whiteboard. Pakka you do mistake if you do by yourself. First you try to understand what you are thinking is matching with this answer or not. Okay. So this part is clear, Satvik, what we have done here?
Yes sir, I understood.
I'm getting the same thing.
Yeah, simply we multiply this minus 5 inside only. Okay. Now what to do? Tell me.
Sir, isn't it the
Minus 35 by 3 plus 3y is equal to minus 40.
What I should do? Minus
Sir, minus 35
35 by
y.
3 plus 3y is equal to minus 40.
minus 35y.
Minus 35y. So,
This is wrong. Because see, children, here we can't add minus 25 and 10y. Okay. Because this is
So it's
constant.
like we should means we need to divide it into 5 by 3 plus 2y by 3. Then we
sir,
need
I
to
think you have to take LCM of the denominator, sir.
Exactly. Here you
So
should
plus
take
3y
LCM.
becomes plus 9y and a whole by 3.
So here is 3 is the LCM. You should write same thing.
Sir, I got
Minus.
it.
Yeah. And plus 9y.
Plus, and yes,
9y.
and then it
equals to-
becomes minus y.
So minus 25 minus y is equals
By
to
3.
minus 42, right?
Yes,
Only,
sir.
no? Yeah.
minus 42 plus 20.
What happened, Sai Charan?
Then minus y equals to we'll write
Yeah, so here y minus y is equals to what we got? Minus 42 plus 25, right?
yes.
So minus y is equal to what you get, children? 7. What do you get here? Y is equals to what?
17.
Minus 17.
Minus 17.
So y is equals to 7.
How we are getting like this? Something is fishy here.
So we can check the answer.
17 only, sir.
Huh?
Even I got y is equal to 17.
I also
But
got
here, if you see in the question, if you put here x is equal to 3, you put, and y is equal to 2. What you're getting the same answer on check. 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, correct? Again, see, 3 you put, the 3 5s are 15, minus 15 plus 6. Okay, here should be 9.
Sir, we
actually.
are getting 5 is equals
Here
to
should be
5.
9. Children, here should be 9 actually. The question here should be 9. Then only this will match. 3 5 3s are 15 minus 15 plus 6. That is minus 9. Yeah, I have given the question here should be 9 only. Okay, it's not 14 or something like that. That's why we did mistake here. Okay, it's not that clear cut. But here should be what, children, tell me? Instead of this 14, what should be there? Minus 9. Okay, keep it that minus 9 over here. Then it should come proper. Here you put minus 9. Sorry, children, I did here I didn't put correct this thing. So you get here 9 and put here 9. Then what you're getting? Minus 27.
Minus 9 by no sir, minus 9 plus 25.
Here is minus 27, right? So we'll get here minus 27 plus 25. So your answer is what? Minus 2. So minus will get y is equal to 2, right? Now put the value of
Yes,
y.
sir.
Now put the value of y here in this equation. The x is equals to 5 plus 2 into 2 divided by 3. The 5 plus 4, 9 by 3. You get the answer as. It's clear now? Just check once. Only one mistake we
Yes,
have done.
sir.
That is not minus.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So substitution method, if you understood this much,
Yes, sir.
no, then you will not have doubt anywhere.
Yes, sir.
Sai Charan, now you tell me your substitution part came here. Tell me where you're feeling difficulties. Sai Charan,
No difficulty, sir.
no difficulty, no, because when I was teaching that one graphical method, you asked some question. I think.
Yeah.
Now your doubt got cleared.
Yes, sir.
Sir, could you give more questions on the graph part?
Yeah, I'll give you so many questions. Not a problem. You can just do the graph. I'll just send you.
I'm getting confused. Like, I'll get it by practice only. So that's why.
Yeah, exactly. Or simply what you put, no, in the net, if you put all the linear equation of two variables, right, for class 10th, you put. So many equation you get, right? So many equations you get, just solve it. And if you're not getting, just I'll send you in the classroom. Okay. So next part is, I believe both the thing is clear to everyone. Substitution method as well as graphical. You can
Yes,
try.
sir.
Yes,
you can,
sir.
You can try at least 10 questions based on
Sir,
it.
a last doubt for that. So when we're substituting the question 1 to question 2,
Hmm.
we only need this x part, right? We don't need the y part.
No, because we are why you need y part? No, why we are substituting, you know, because I want to eliminate this part. Means I want to remove this x from here.
Okay.
That's why you're putting this whole thing become what in y form only. No,
Yes, sir. So the first question has been x form, the second question has been y form.
it's not sure. You can take y also from here. See, you can do like this also. This question can be done by this also. You can like do like this, minus 2y is equals to 5 minus 3x. So
Okay.
y is equals to, you can write 5 minus 3x divided by minus 2, or you can write minus 5 plus 3x divided by 2. So this also you can put here.
And then we substitute it into plus 3y.
Yeah, instead of y, you can put substitute this one also. It's not sure
Okay,
if you
sir.
take only x. You can take
Okay,
y
sir.
also and put in x, not a problem.
Okay, sir.
You have to
But
somehow,
only one variable, either this or that, x or
yeah,
y, only one, right?
yeah. Because in one equation, if only one variable is there, then only we can find the answer. Two variables
sir.
are there means what? You to assume
So
only.
what if we have three equations? Then what's the?
Three equations means three variable they will give, but that is not there in class 10th also. That is not in the class
Okay.
11th also.
It's not possible to give like different three equations all having x and y only.
No, x and y means three equation they will give, means from
Okay,
two equation only you can solve now. Two equation only you can solve.
Okay, sir.
If two variables are there, two equations are enough to solve the two equations. Understood? If they give three equation or
Understood, sir.
four equation, not a problem. From two equation you solve and get the answer. That's it. Now I'm just going to move the third topic, that is elimination method, children. Okay, that is most easy question. Read the same question what you have done right now. Read the same question, children.
Sir, minus 3x minus 2y is equals to 5. Minus 5 plus 3y is equals to minus 14.
Minus
5x.
plus
Plus 3y.
is equals to minus 9. I changed the question. Okay,
Yes.
I've changed the question. No, so I remember minus 14 by
Yes.
yeah.
Minus.
So here in elimination method, children, what we have to do, see, don't see here and there and don't write anything. Elimination method. So here we trying to find that either both x should match, this 3x and this 3x should match. Don't bother about sign, children, right now. Okay, just you bother about only same thing. This here is 3x, so this also should be 3x, or this is 2y, here also should be 2y. We have to match anyone. Either you match x or you match y by somehow by multiplying or divide anything.
Sir, matching in the sense you don't have to match the signs, right?
No, don't match the signs right now. Only sign
Okay.
will be depending on addition and subtraction.
Okay, sir.
If you want to change the sign, then you have to subtract. If you don't want to change the sign, you have to add. That's it. Understood? Our first method is, first thing we have to do is we have to match this one and this one either this one and this one, or this y
So we
part.
need to match the coefficients, sir, of any
Yeah,
one.
exactly. Both coefficients should be same. Yes. Means either x coefficient, both the equation x coefficient, or both the equation y coefficient should be same. So how to do? I'm just telling you. Okay. Just see here on the board. Anyone having idea what to do to match the coefficient of x or y?
Sir, -8.
-8. What I should do? Where should
Sir,
you
you,
work?
you have to write 3x minus 8 minus 2y, and then it will get matched.
Okay. What should I? 3x.
Oh no, sir, that won't work. Sorry. So that's wrong.
So then we can take like 3 into 5 is equals to 15, and minus 5 into minus 3 is equals to 15. So both are 15x and 15x.
Tell once again. Once again, you tell.
So it means we can take like 3x into 5 is equals to 15x, sir.
Okay.
And
into
minus
5.
5x into 3
This one
minus
you're
3
saying.
is
This one you're
equals to
saying, right?
15. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
But what we need to do now?
Sir, we can do 8x minus 5x.
Which one clear?
Sir, we can write 3x as 8x minus 5x, no? And then 5x.
See,
plus
here
5x.
only, here in this type of equations, we are preferring only multiplication. And that we have to multiply with whole equation, not with one particular. Understood? Nihar? This type of equation
Yes,
can be solved only by multiplication method, and we have to multiply with the complete equation, not with only one part. Okay, so that the value will not change. If you multiply,
Sir,
So
we
we can multiply it by 3.
which equation?
First one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
so we need to multiply both
No,
with only one
first
number,
equation we could multiply by 5,
Okay.
second by 3.
second by 3.
A second by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anybody else? This is the correct way, because Sahil wants to match what I tell you. He want to match x only. He want to match only x.
So in the second equation, you have to multiply by -3, right?
No, it's not exactly same, Nihar. Just simply match 15x, 15x. I don't
Okay, so
bother
sign
about.
does not matter.
Sir, in
Sign
that
does
case, it's
matter.
not 5, right? It's -5.
Yeah, the first minus
Sir,
15x.
actually
first-
it's not.
Sign does not matter in this case.
Okay,
Wait,
fine.
wait, wait. Let me. Once I'll do no, then you'll get to know exactly what to do. Don't waste the
Okay.
time. I'm just telling you once. Okay. Wait for 1 minute. Children. See, first I'm doing here is this whole thing I multiply by 3 is there, the 5 I multiply, no problem. And this I multiply with 3. So what I'm getting, I'm writing here 15x minus 10y is equals to 25, and minus 15x plus 9y is equals to minus 27. This is the first equation, this is the second equation. Till here, anyone having doubt, children, tell me.
No, sir.
Doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Now see what we need to do. First equation right on top. So 15x minus 10y is equals to 25. And second equation right down. Minus 15x plus 9y is equals to minus 27. Is till here anyone having doubt? Same equation I copied, similar.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now see, Nihar, what your doubt was there. Now I'm clearing your doubt. Why sign is not compulsory over here. If this sign, if this both sign are different, okay, Nihar, if
Yes,
this
sir.
if this both sign are different, so simply we add both the equations. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So this will cancel.
And-
This will
and
Will
cancel.
become 0, right, sir?
Yeah.
Same.
And listen once more. If this is plus, okay, then you subtract this equation so that the sign will get changed over here, and you can cancel. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
basically, what you're saying is, if it's different sign, you have to add. If it's same sign, you have to subtract. So either
Exactly.
case, it cancels.
Exactly.
So we should get it cancelled.
Yeah,
Mhm.
one part should be cancelled. Either you cancel x or you cancel
So
y.
do we carry out
Okay, sir.
subtraction in this now that we have both on top and bottom?
Subtraction. Why subtraction means what, children? We are just changing the sign here. See, here minus, here plus. Subtraction, we are just changing the sign only, no?
Okay, okay.
We are not putting carry, only we have to change sign down, that's it.
So
So
then
here-
we cancel this 15 and 15 thing.
So here it was before -2. On adding this both, we are getting this cancelled. Then we get minus y is equals to -2. So y is equal to 2 we got directly. Is this clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then this
Sir.
y value, your wish, you put either in this equation or this equation, you'll get the answer. Put in the easier equation, anywhere, your wish. Okay,
So in that case, we'll get the value of x.
yeah. So 3x minus 2 into 2 is equals to 5. I'm putting in this equation. Okay, children. So this becomes 3x minus 4 is equals to 5. 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3. So you just think this one coolly, एकदम बिल्कुल एकदम आराम से you think for 2 minutes. If you're having doubt, you can ask me. Satvik, just you
So
check.
one doubt is if we substitute the y into first or second, we'll get the same answer for x, right?
What you're saying? Same answer. You push
Okay,
substitute in second also, no problem. So you can substitute here also, you can substitute here also, you can substitute here also, you can substitute here also.
Then no doubt, sir.
You will get the same answer.
No doubt, sir.
So this is the easiest method than substitution also.
No doubts.
This is the easiest method than substitution also. Satvik, you tell me, child, if you're having any doubt. This is
No,
the,
sir.
among all the 3 methods, this is the easiest method actually.
Yes, sir. It's easy, sir.
And if you want to equate this y part, no, so this is C. Here you should multiply by 3 and here you should multiply by 2. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That was much more easier also. Small thing will come.
Sir,
So
so if it's
you have
not
to put the
specified
answer.
the method,
If they not specify the method, you can do by anything. If they ask only-
okay, sir. So they don't specify, we can do in any manner.
yeah, any manner. If they ask
Okay, sir.
find the solution only, you can do any method.
Sir, so basically we can do any method, but the basic concept is we have to find x1 and y1 value, right?
Yeah, x and y. Yes.
No, we can
Okay, sir.
also divide, right?
You can divide also if you want, not a problem. You can divide whole equation or you can multiply whole equation by the same number. Okay, that also you can do.
Okay.
So what you can do? You can't divide now in this case.
No, sir, I was just asking in general.
Yeah,
Like
you can
one.
divide also. Yeah, you can divide, not a problem. But whole equation you should divide. So this is clear to everyone or not? Anyone having doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
I
No
think
doubt, sir.
Satvik, you are having doubt. I think, child.
No, sir. I don't have doubt, sir.
In all the 3 equations, it's clear to you completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine, we'll do the first exercise of this one, linear of equations. You try to understand. The first exercise is exercise 4.1. So this question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in 2 variables to represent this statement. The cost of the notebook. So here we have to, this is pair of linear equation in 2 variables, right? You have to take cost of the notebook and cost of the pen separate. See here they have taken one, this one also. They
So
have given-
2x is equal to 2.
Sir, I think I did this question.
Okay, don't think. If you are knowing it, just tell me the thing.
Sir means we can take x as the
Sir,
pen
2x
first
is equal to
and
1.
y as the
I mean, sorry.
notebook sir.
X is equal
2y
we can
is
do
equal to
2y.
x.
Sir, I took 2y is equal to x, sir.
Even I wrote 2y is 2y is equal to
Wait,
x.
I'll write here. One
Yes,
is
sir, it's
someone might have taken 2y is equal to 2x is equal to y.
Yes,
Someone
but I
might have
think
taken 2y is equal to x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any one is correct. Okay, I'm telling you how to find this one. Okay, so just think anything that cost of the notebook is twice than the cost of pen. You think in your mind, pen cost is 10 rupees and your cost of the notebook is 20 rupees. Okay, is it clear? So this you
Yes, sir.
this you think
Yes, sir.
that this is x and this you think this is y. Okay, So cost of the notebook is twice. This is twice. So you should multiply where? On y side or x side to make it
Y
equal.
side.
Y side you should multiply. Correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which should be the correct answer now? If you are letting cost of the notebook is x, so what you should write here in this case?
2y is equals to x, sir.
2y is equal to x. So answer
Or
this
x
is
is
correct.
equals to 2y.
Yeah, if you are letting cost of the notebook is x and cost of the pen is y, then this is correct. And if you are taking a rest means ulta, okay, then you'll get this one.
So if you're taking y as the cost of notebook,
Then this first one is correct.
Hmm.
So this will get changed. No, if this you are taking y and this is x, right? If you are this you are taking y and this is x. So 2x is equal to y. Okay.
So then we can take any cost, right, sir? Like 30 and 60, like that also.
Yeah, this is example for your understanding purpose. As according to question I made, so that
Okay,
people
sir.
will do mistake. Now, if they ask twice, if they multiply here only, what they will do? Children will do here multiplication only 2. This they will leave off. So this become 40 and this become 10. So this is wrong. Suppose I am telling you that your father is twice the age of you. Suppose your age is 15 and your father is 45. Think like this. This is your father age and this is your age. Like I will write here this one. So if I tell your father is 3 times than you, if you multiply by 3 here, this is completely wrong. You have to multiply with your age. Then this become equal. Understood, children?
Sir, and
Yes, sir.
we can
Yes, sir.
take our father's age is x, sir, and our age is y, sir. And x divided by 3 is equals to y.
1 minute, what
Can
you are
we
saying.
say?
First, what we are discussing, no, that you concentrate, Sahil. Then you ask question after 1 second like that. If one thing is not finished, something you asked of that one.
No, sir, about that question.
Ask your question, but wait for a minute actually.
No, sir, means can we write like that?
Yeah, tell me what you're asking now.
Sir, means if x is our father's age, sir.
Okay, fine.
So so x divided by 3 is equals to y. So y is our age.
Why is your age?
Yes, sir. Means
Ah,
for
this,
dad age is
yeah,
45.
this you can do.
Ah, yes, sir, like that.
Yeah, this is you can do. Yeah. But depends on the question how 3 times, 4 times they'll give. This clear, children, what to write here in this case?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, depend on what you are considering. But in the question they have given here, take the cost of the book is X. So you have to write, you should write here, notebook means what you should write? X is equal to 2y. This only you should write. Understood, children?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Because they
sir.
have already given here, take the cost of the notebook, Vx, and this is y. Next question. Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values a, b, c in each case. So here 5 bar they have given in the question. If you see the textbook, here they have given bar on this. So we have to represent in this form, children. It means that your x, y as well as your constant term should be all on the left hand side, right? So this one you can write it as what? 2x
X plus 3
Sir,
minus 9.53y is equal
minus 9.35 is
to
equals
0.
to 0, right?
equal-
Yes, sir.
Now a you can, this is a, this is b, and this one is c. So a is equals to what you can write? 2, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to minus 9.35. Is it clear, children, or not?
Yes, sir. Could you explain the
Yes,
second
sir.
one?
Yeah, I'll explain everything, right?
Okay, sir.
I'll explain one by one. One minute, children. Children, see, this is clear to everyone. We are just comparing A, B, C over here. The A is 2, B is 3, and C is complete thing. Okay. Now I'm doing the second part. All of you can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see what to do here is. This question is nothing but it looks like, it's like x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equals to 0. You can write in two ways, children. Either you can write a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1 by 5, and c is equals to minus 10.
Yes.
Okay. Or you can write other way also. You take the LCM. LCM is 5. You can write here 5x. Okay. Then minus y and minus 50 is equals to 0. Can we write like this?
Yes, sir.
And then,
Yes, sir.
then after that you multiply this 5 to the other side. So you get 5x minus y minus 50 is equals to 0. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So here you can write a is equals to 5, b is equals to minus 1, c is equals to minus 50. So this way also you can write if you want. But in the answer,
Sir.
they might have given this answer only. If you see the NCERT textbook.
Yes, sir. So then where did the divided by 5 went?
Here I told no, this 5 went this side. If you go, what will happen? 0 into 5 is what? 0 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So
Sir.
Sir, could you explain the second part again? Sir, I didn't understand.
here I see LCM I took here everywhere. I took LCM. Here LCM 1, here LCM 1. If I take LCM as 1, 5, 1, I'll get 5.
You're multiplying everything with 5, sir.
Yeah, because we have to make everything 5, no? This one.
Okay, whole by 5. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. So everything the denominator should make 5. So what to do? You should multiply your 5 numerator and denominator both.
Yes, sir.
So you will not have doubt in third part. You will not have doubt in sixth part. You may
Sir.
have doubt here.
Sir,
Fourth
so
one.
we should convert the equation. We should take the LCM. It's better to take the LCM of the equation.
No, here also directly also you can write if you want, because this is also answer given in the NCERT. This is only answer given in the NCERT. You can take either way. It's not a problem.
Sir, I am.
So it in
What?
explanation.
What? Which
Sir, the
explanation?
fourth part, sir, I thought.
Sai Charan, you are having any doubt?
No, sir, in the fourth one, sir. Out of it. I
Okay,
have written in some form.
Wait for 1 minute. Fourth, I'm coming back. Next, anybody have children having doubt in second one?
So
No doubt,
No,
sir.
sir.
Some child is telling from the back, some doubt, I think. Who is telling?
yeah, I'm telling.
Yeah, tell your name, child.
Pulas.
Yeah, Pulastia, tell me your doubt now.
Yeah, I got disconnected, so I did not understand.
Okay, this particular question, any other question also have doubt?
No, like this particular one.
Okay, see what we have did here is, we have written the same thing. This is given the question, x minus y by 5 and minus 10 is given, okay? We have to compare this equation by ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So we can write what? A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 1 by 5, c is equals to minus 10. This is clear or not?
Yeah.
Now second part, what we have done is, we have taken 5 as the LCM. Then you know how to write this one plus minus and all. 5x minus 5 minus 50 is equals to 0. Then you cross multiply, you will get this equation. Then again you compare with this equation.
Oh yeah, now I understood. I just got a bit confused.
All right. Now see fourth one, what we need to do, children? We can write here x minus 3y is equals to 0.
Plus 0.
So a is
Sir, and
equals
we can write it as 1x minus 3y into 1.
1x minus 3y, okay,
Into 1.
into 1y is required. Y
So, I
into,
mean, into 1, or if it is not there, then it's equal.
then plus 0 you can write. Now y you are into 1 you are writing.
Yes.
What, Nihar?
And I was telling we can write x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0.
Yeah, if constant is not there, anyway you can write 0 over there. Or you can do in that way if you want. Plus 0 is equal to
Oh
0.
my god.
Your wish.
So what is x now, sir?
X before is what? 1. X before is 1 hidden, no.
Of course.
So x minus 3y plus 0 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 0. Over. Suppose you
Okay,
want
sir.
this equation. So what you can write for this? 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. So you can write here like this. Not 0, you can write like a 2x plus 0y minus 5 is equal to 0. Can we write like this or not?
Yes, sir.
So a is
But
equal
how
to,
0y, sir? I didn't understand.
because y is not there now in the equation. Simply we want coefficient of y, so we can write 0 over there.
Okay, sir. So we add an imaginary y and then we move the -5 to c.
Yeah, that's it. Because this is constant now.
Okay.
Sir, then here the C is 5, sir.
Where?
So
C is
then small doubt is instead of 0y or no, sir. Okay, my doubt is
0 what? 1 right plus y minus y. That one you're saying. Minus 0 plus
yeah,
0,
sir. I
right?
was about to say brackets y, but then it's multiplication only. So
Yeah. And it's not 5 Sai Charan. C is minus 5, not 5. C is equal to minus
Sir,
5.
not me, sir. It's Ritu.
Okay. And B is equal to 0. That's it. Is it clear? Bring everything.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Today this much is enough. Okay. Next class we'll just do the next exercise and there will be more questions.
okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So anyone having doubt till here, children?
No,
No,
sir,
sir.
no
No,
doubts.
sir.
Sir, for the test, the full lines and angles will be there, right?
Yeah. In this test, this Sunday test, you have full lines and angles, children. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll message in
Okay,
the group
sir.
also. Okay. children,
Only
can-
lines.
Yeah. Only
Sir,
lines
is
and
it like last test for some other chapter will be mixed or only lines and angles, sir?
No, last chapter actually not. I was not finding much questions on coordinate geometry. That's why I mixed out on that day.
Okay, sir.
This time I'll give complete with lines and angles. We'll
Okay,
get
sir.
around 30 questions will be there this time, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine, children. All of you can
Okay,
leave
sir.
now. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Thank you,
sir.
Bye,
sir. Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Hey, Shreyanvi, you are still there.
Yeah, sir.
Shreyanvi, it didn't told anything in the middle. Huh? Today?
Oh,
No questions, no doubts. Huh?
I didn't have any doubts, sir.
Okay. You all answered all the 3 methods: graphical, elimination, and all.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, children. All of you can leave.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Pulas-
sir.
Bye. Pulastya, you are having doubt. Sahil. Pulastya, you are having doubt. Any doubts? No doubts. Hmm?